President of the Republic of Kenya, Your Excellency, the Deputy President, my brother, my colleague, CS Ababu Namwamba, the Principal Secretary is present, the senior government officials, the chairman of government agencies, Your Excellency, we are gathered in this ground of State House, a very, very happy day, indeed a great day, and on behalf of the drama, film, and the music fraternity, Your Excellency, I want to thank you so much for finding time, because we had this in Mombasa where we had 15,000 participants between the 18th of April and the 28th April, Your Excellency. And when I was the one giving the news that you are not going to be available on the 29th, there was disappointment all over. So I'm happy now you are happy. Are you not happy today? Are you happy today? And Your Excellency, even last year, we had the music festival, which we had about 120 participants in Kisumu, and it was presided over by the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya, and we also brought over three teams here, Your Excellency. Two remarks, Your Excellency. Today, new standards have been set. New targets, Your Excellency, have been set, and we commit not to lower the standards, because right from the stage here, it has happened the way it has never been done before. So we commit and undertake that we will not be able to lower the standards. The second one, Your Excellency, is that indeed, when these people had the opportunity, and you have been able to confirm, Your Excellency, they are so special. Indeed, the quality of presentation, Your Excellency, and even the talent that they have been able to showcase. Even my brother, Kiarie, who was the very best thespian during his time, would say that we have the best in this country, and we did commit with my brother, the CS, that it will not end here. We want to take it to another level, because we know the kind of opportunities we have in a creative heart, Your Excellency, and I want to thank my brother, because among the major stakeholders, we are combining efforts, Your Excellency. He gave us 237 million in order to make this a reality the way we have made it today. We also thank the National Committee, and Your Excellency, we are going to combine efforts so that these young people, with the wonderful talent they have, we can even be able to take it to international level. And for the first time, today, they are also going to showcase in our national theater. So, Your Excellency, with your guidance and support, we are sure that we will be able to take it to another level, because me and my brother are working very, very closely together so that we get to another level. With us, Your Excellency, let me recognize our two members of Parliament. My chairman of the Education Committee, Julius Mary, is here with us, and we are also working very closely together. One who has been prepared to be what he is, Member of Parliament, because he was and still is the best thespian, but I think he has now been overtaken, is my brother, Member of Parliament, Dagoretti South, the chairman of Communication, Information and Innovation, my brother, Mheshimiwa Kiarie. We thank you, because you are a great... Yeah, thank you very much. With those remarks, Your Excellency, my brother, Ababu Namwamba, I now invite him, with your permission, so that he can be able to make a statement, and invite His Excellency, the Deputy President. Welcome, my brother.